I've been sitting here trying to pick up groceries, and it's not letting me. I don't know what's going on, y'all. I just want to make a chicken burrito bowl. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. But it's not letting me, so I'm going on my computer to see if it'll let me do it there. Continue to check out. I don't like for them to do substitutes. I prefer not. Review order. See, I don't want any substitutions. Because they just throw anything in there and okay. Yeah, it's something going on. It's not letting me do it on my phone nor on the computer. It's crazy. Place order. It's not letting me. And it's 35 degrees outside. That and a toddler. I wouldn't plan on going nowhere today. Look at this, it's not working. I'm about to cry. It acted like it was about to work earlier, and then it just, okay. See, now it's letting me put my stuff in, but is it gonna go through? And I promise y'all it's not my card. It's this system. Okay, so now let me order. Place order. It's not letting me. I hate to have to get out in this weather, y'all. It is windy. It's crazy. Y'all, this is me not being lazy. I'm trying to stay calm. That's what I'm trying to do. So if I can make things easier on myself, that's the route that I choose. Thank God it's just one kid. But goddamn. I just want my stuff to make food for my child. Like, I could be doing crazier things. That's what I don't be understanding. I could be out here trying to scam and I'm not. Okay, now it's acting like it's about to let me go through in Jesus' name. I think we in. I'm becoming that person. So I got that. My curbside won't be ready until 4 p.m. It's 12:37. Usually make my own chicken. You know, get the raw chicken, wash it, season it, saute it. I usually do my own little chicken, but I ordered some chicken that's already made, frozen, and you just heat it up. So I'm hoping it's good. Yeah, your girl is the Walmart pickup queen. Do you hear me? Just did a Walmart pickup, y'all. It is freezing. It's freezing outside. The person that was putting my groceries in the car, he was like, "You look like you're trying to stay warm." Yes, I got my hair wrapped up. I had my hood on with it. I had my hood on. I had all of this buttoned up. All of this was buttoned up. Should have had a scarf on. Who was finna go get out and go into the store? Who? Who? Not me. So, I got stuff to make chicken burrito bowls. And my rice should have been on. I don't know what I was thinking because my rice takes 50 minutes. I do the rice cooker. I do the rice cooker and it should have been going like right now. But I got everything and a few extra items. All right, I needed cheese, so we got cheese. We got more lettuce we're gonna use for the chipotle bowls. Got some peaches for my baby. Queso blanco, pico de gallo, sour cream. We got some black beans, 3 cans. We got some little candy canes that I'm gonna put on my baby's Christmas tree. We've got jalapeno slices. We've got some rice. Probably didn't need any more of that. We got some green onion that I made put on it. We got the fajita chicken here. 2 bags of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make everything. The fiesta blend is there. I think that's it. I think they said one thing was out of stock and it was the lime. So we don't have any lime. Vanilla, sugar-free vanilla. I think I called everything out. I believe. Yes. Do any of y'all like make y'all's rice with like broth? And it could be salted or unsalted broth. I'm gonna do water today though, because I think the rest of my ingredients, you know, having some sodium in it. So we're doing some filtered water because I do have a filter on here on my cold water. 3 and 4. But I usually do broth, unsalted broth. We just gonna do that. So if y'all don't wash y'all rice, who are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love this like kasuri cooker. It is bae. It's been with me for some time, quite some time. We got 50 minutes on the rice. I'll prepare my beans and my lettuce and stuff. Chop my onion. I think I got some onion chopped already. The chicken. Make sure everything is chopped up. So we got our rice going. It's about to cook. We got 50 minutes. And this is the rice that I use. Well, y'all saw that. Okay, so this is my bowl. I just threw everything in here, y'all. It ain't even in here neat. I just threw everything in here. It's a big bowl, but I'm gonna eat it. The bowl is done. I just threw everything in here. It is not in here neatly, but it's in there. We got the queso cheese on top, and I do have mushrooms in here, so those are the 2 ingredients that I normally don't do. But there it is. This is why I don't cook rice often. It was all over the chair, y'all. I had to sweep it out the chair. I let her feed herself, of course, because big 2-year-old, she's good at it. But when it comes to like something like rice or soup, it's a little hard. So there's it. It's all over there. So that's why I rarely cook rice now, which is a good thing for me because the kind of rice I like, it sticks to you. Yeah. It's getting under my feet. I gotta find my dustpan. Find a dustpan. Swept up. That's exactly why I don't be cooking rice.